All right, we're starting in 3, 2, 1, begin. Why is there a WE on the ground over there?
That's Aiden.
Is that like a free WE?
No, he ran out.
I wouldn't want it. Even if it was free. Oh, I totally could have picked Cole off, but the wind's blowing the shots. Did you hit him? Why is he waving his hand like an idiot? What was that?
I was Fonzie.
I was retarded.
Yeah. Alright, hey, what's
Where did he go? I found Fonzie.
Oh.
Maybe I can curve it around. Oh! Dude, I just shot Cole around a tree! Uh-oh, there's Fonzie. My reign of happiness is over. Dude, I just curved a BB around a tree. That was good. Is it just Aiden and Fonzie over there? Where's Josh? Every time someone shoots, I have this instant. Now I played Lone Survivor. I think I might be out. Yeah, I'm out. There's a rock right there. Okay, I'm good. I just reloaded on the run there. Cole's going to the left again. I think he's got a death wish.
I think at least Fonzie.
If you can see where Aiden Fonzie is, I'll just deal with Cole.
Where's Josh?
I have no idea. Cole's coming to our left right here.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Thought maybe I could get him through the bushes. Guess not. Oh, wait. Fat Aussie.
I can't find any of them.
Neither. I know Cole's to the left.
Well, besides Cole.
Hey! I found him! Looks like they might be behind over where the death pit's at. I almost ate it right there. Evil rocks of Satanism. Where's Cole? Oh, I found Cole. He's actually moving a little bit to the right now. Yeah, I'm keeping my gun up. Where's he at?
Behind us.
Where is he? Sorry, Dirty Harry, not tonight. Cole's moved up to the left. Watch out, watch out, watch out. You hit, Cole? All right. All right, tell me where Fonzie's at.
He's over. Yeah.
I think Cole found me. That was close.
Oh, hello.
Where they at?
Cole's over there.
I can't see Cole. He's buried in the bushes. He's a bush monster. I actually honestly have no idea where Cole went.
Keep track of him.
Well, I'm assuming he's still over to our left. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Oh, Did you get hit?
No.
Dude, I saw that.
My knuckle.
I saw that. I was like, that was close.
I'm not counting that as a kill.
Hey, Cole. Good shooting, Tex. But not close enough. Where is everybody? Oh, found Cole. I found Cole. Why didn't you shoot at me? I wasn't even looking at him. Thought maybe I could curve it around the tree. Cole, I'd say you're pretty much pinned. He's calling a cease.